Welcome. This micro-learning session will help you navigate the Employer Demand Report on Washington State's Employment Security Department website. Let's get started. On your browser, navigate to esd.wa.gov, the main ESD website. From there, select Jobs and Training in the navigation ribbon, and choose the Labor Market Information option from the drop-down menu. This will take you over to the main Labor Market Information page, which provides data and analysis around Washington's employment conditions, economy, job market, and workforce. Scroll down to select the Employment and Wages section, and from that page, choose the Employer Demand Reports box. Now you're in. From here you can explore monthly datasets that show which skills, jobs, and certifications are most in demand across Washington. For example, if you select July 2025, that month's dataset will download to your computer as an Excel file. Open that Excel workbook and here's what you'll find. The first tab shows report details including the date of publication and source citation. The second tab lists up to 20 top employers by county. Note that smaller counties may show fewer than 20 employers. The rankings are based on those employers in each county with the most active job postings. Similarly, the frequency of job postings is used to rank the top 20 industries on tab 3 and top 20 occupations on tab 4. The fifth tab shows the most in-demand qualifications, such as licenses, certifications, and food handler cards. On the final 3 tabs, you can look into common, specialized, and software skills that are in demand with Washington's employers. So what can you do with this data? This information is ideal for job market research, workforce planning, and career exploration and advising. For example, you can use the Sort and Filter tool on Excel to hone your research. Watch how I apply a filter function to the first row of the Employers tab by highlighting that row and selecting the Filter button, which resembles a funnel. By filtering the first column to show only Adams County, we can see at a glance the top 20 employers just for that county and how many jobs they've posted. Using this information, a job seeker might visit the websites of these employers, read about the openings, and apply for some jobs. That's just one example. You can also download reports from several months and make month-to-month comparisons, identify trends, and see what skills are gaining popularity. You can look up which regions are hiring most actively and which employers are looking for talent like yours. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you have unlocked powerful insight into Washington's labor market. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope this helps you make the most of the Employment Security Department's Employer Demand Reports.